Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa lahat ng dako ng mundo. Ngayon naman gagawa tayo ng isang tutorial video on differential calculus, particularly doon sa topic na implicit differentiation. Ito po ay request ng ilan po sa ating mga students. So before we go further, i-differentiate muna natin or i-distinguish natin ano nga ba yung implicit function at saka yung explicit function. So, kung titingnan nyo dun sa ating presentation, if a function is given in the form y is equal to f of x, it is an explicit function, meaning y in terms of x, yun po yung function. But if a function is given in the form f, x and y is equal to 0, it is an implicit function. Ibig sabihin, both f at saka x ay nandun sa loob ng function. So, halimbawa, ito. Kung makikita nyo dito, this is an implicit form. xy is equal to 1. So, kapag ka-explicit form, y is equal to 1 over x. Ibig sabihin, y in terms of x. So, ano nga ba yung implicit differentiation? Implicit differentiation, that if we take the derivative of two variables, yan, we treat the other variables as a function of the other. Okay. So, madalas, we are taking the derivative of y with respect to x, so, or dy over dx. There are several guidelines for implicit differentiation. Ito. So, isa-isahin natin. So, number 1, differentiate both sides of the function in terms of one variable. So, usually, y in terms of x. And if it is in y in terms of x, collect all terms involving dy over dx on one side, at saka all the other terms sa kabilang side. And then after that, you factor out dy over dx. And then, you equate and solve for dy over dx. So, tingnan natin itong ilang problem na to. Let's solve para lang sa ganun ay masanay tayo mag-solve ng isang implicit function. Okay. Sige, tingnan natin ito. If we have here 1 tuloy. 2x cubed plus y squared is equal to 1. So, this is our sample problem. Yan, iangat natin. So, the first thing we should do is we have to take the derivative in terms of x. Ayan. So, we have 2x cubed plus y squared equals 1. So, what we will do, nagawin natin, so, ito ay x, di ba? So, we have, take the derivative of this one. That is 6x squared, dx over dx. Tama? May kasama ba siyang y? Wala. So, ito namang isa. Let's take the derivative of this one. So, we have 2y tapos dy over dx. Right? So, the other one is constant. Since constant siya, so the derivative of a constant is 0. Now, ang ating dx over dx is just 1. Kaya, normally, makikita nyo, hindi na tayo naglalagay ng dx over dx dito dahil alam natin that that is 1. So, we have 6. Okay, 6x squared plus 2y dy over dx is equal to 0. Sabi natin kanina, if factor out natin yung dy, lalagay natin sa kabilang side yung yung other term, tapos iwan natin yung dy over dx. Now, magiging 2y and then dy over dx. Ayan, di ba? Is equal to negative 6x squared. Yan. And then, kunin lang natin yung dy over dx. And that is negative 6x squared over 2y. So, finally, ang ating sagot is dy over dx is equal to what? Negative 3x squared over y. So, ito na yung ating sagot. Yan. Okay. So, gamitin natin yung nandun sa taas na ano kanina. Yung ating naging example. Ayan. In implicit form, xy is equal to 1. So, ano yung kanyang implicit differentiation dito? So, what we will do is, gawin natin d of x, y. Sorry, dy over dx pala. That is in terms of x. And equals 1. Okay. Yeah. Equals 1. So, notice, ito po ay mag-undergo siya ng product rule. So, what we will do is, yung ating first, which is x, and then the derivative, itong second, which is dy over dx plus yung y times the derivative ng first, which is dx over dx. Okay? And then what's the derivative of 1? Of course, that is 0. Now, so x is equal to dy over dx is equal to the x dy over dx. Ano yung dx over dx natin? Of course, that is 1. So, y na lang is equal to 0. Now, ang ating dy over dx, therefore, dy over dx equals, and diretsahin ko na nga, y over x. Yan. Ayan. Siguro nagtatanong kayo, sir, bakit kailangan pang gawin yung implicit differentiation? Bakit hindi na lang yung explicit? Y is equal to this one. So, actually, may mga functions na mas madali siyang kunin yung derivative niya kapag gagamitan mo siya ng implicit differentiation. So, ang tanong, pareho ba kaya yung makuha naming sagot, sir? Technically, dapat pareho. Tingnan na lang natin itong problem na to. xy is equal to 1. Okay, sige, tingnan natin. Tulad ng sabi ko ngayon na, dapat pareho lang yung makukuha nating sagot, ha? So, ito. If we have here, ano yung magiging y niyan? So, xy is equal to 1. Right? So, therefore, our y is equal to 1 over x. What's the derivative of this one? So, dy over dx mo ngayon is equal to 1 over negative 1 over x squared. Right? So, nalala nyo pa? Power rule. Sige, ilagay natin na ano. For example, ang y natin is equal to x to the negative 1. So, therefore, ang ating x to the negative 1 minus 1, negative 1, of course, that is negative x to the negative 2, or that is negative 1 over x squared. Pareho lang. Okay? Now, eto, bakit siya, sir, hindi ba siya pareho nito? Itong part na to, negative, pareho lang ba yung negative y over x? Tingnan natin. So, ang alam natin na yung y natin dyan, for example, dy over dx is equal to, ano yung y natin? Diba, ang y natin is, labas natin yung negative, ang y natin is 1 over x. Pagkatapos may 1 over x pa tayo. So, therefore, that is 1 over x squared. So, technically, dapat pareho sila. Yan.